The situation for inmates in the Saskatchewan Penitentiary, located in Prince Albert, is a major concern because of the COVID-19 outbreak, says Kim Beaudin, the National Vice Chief for the Congress of Aboriginal Peoples.
It's a really dire situation, and I actually hear from somebody every day regarding the situation in the APTN, and this pandemic has really caused a lot of problems, a lot of havoc on them, the staff, and families as well.
Beaudin says on a daily basis, people are calling him, and one thing that really concerns him is that they are all confined 23.5 hours a day. The Saskatchewan Penitentiary Deputy Warden, Leanne Skeeny, says it's the only way to stop the virus from spreading.
Because of the way that the environment and the closed environment that we have, offenders who have tested positive have been quarantined in their cells on their ranges. With that, then, we have limited the movement in an effort to reduce the transmission.
Skeeny adds that things have been improving, even though they currently have a COVID-19 outbreak and more cases than any other federal prison in Canada.
Our latest numbers as of today, there are 215 inmates that have tested positive. The great news that I'm happy to share is that we also have had 141 inmate recoveries, leaving us then with 74 current active cases as of today. The site is still declared as an outbreak.
Skeeny also says that the inmates' mental health is being addressed since they have access to mental health staff in smudging and elders.
Access to smudging continues to be available even through our current COVID situation, as well as access to elders. We have limited the staff going in and out of the institution, just again, in an attempt to reduce the transmission. However, access to elders is available over the phone.
Beaudin believes this situation and outbreak could have been avoided with early release for many inmates.
When I hear stories, direct stories of people who could have been let out that have, in terms of let out early release, they're not a danger to society. I mean, you call breaching your conditions a danger, but they wouldn't let them out. They said no.
Priscilla Wolf, APTN National News, Saskatoon.